you get the noise.
This is the vacuum pump for a temperature altitude test.
Now that vacuum pump, overkill for that moment. So, yeah, let me get these happen. That paper looks like it has a lot of there is vacuum on it. Some of that burn off. Some of that exhaust comes out. You don't, something like this is way overkill. You can pick up a smaller single pump, or you can mount them. There's different ways to do it. Manufacturers, you have electronics, you have thermostat, you have landfills. The Cincinnati company, strictly high temperature, very high temperature.
An oven.
An oven.
Pizza.
The reason
This is for GR63 needle flame.
and some of these things like dust test, we can continue small about this size, right? So it cuts down on the amount of individual.
That's the one with the elevator.
Yeah.
Well,
So this is the control room for the fire room.
The thing we did special between the control room and there is we made sure we went with safety glass. There's a lot to the fire test setup. There's a lot of pitfalls to run into. You know, it's pretty involved. The sizing of the hood and the ducts going on the roof and the length of those. The shelf with vertical cards, we just rotated so the holes are on top.
what's the purpose of these?
It's a guide. We light the burner outside the unit, and then we've got a hole in the test side. We just slide it in.
Oh, I got that.
Needle flame set up in here, or is it
No, I'm told
the other?
by the chambers, by Brown.
Yeah. All right.
That's your infrared unit right there.
There is a switch that Marty can flip to isolate some vents. If he does forget it, we
smell it.
we know that's not good. Sometimes depending on which way the wind is going. But it is a good example if you look behind.
Fiber optics testing.
For the cooling water power. Gotta put it in an area that you don't want it or don't need to be pretty because it throws everything.
So it's pretty much either got to be black.
a earthquake, an office vibe. we
2
videotape
actuators are good.
lights.
In other words, the unit under test is these lights.
No, those simulate the lights in most COs. So you mount the equipment in the rack
Yes.
and you line up, take slow gas.
This is hydroscopic dust.
There's our part of our calibration.
Oh, I
system. If you look down in H2S, you've got chlorine. There's one I don't remember what it was. NO2, I'm not sure what that is. We're taking the transportation vibration here. We typically do it on the hydro shaper seismic. For most tests only have a couple of test item between the cell and analogs there. That's what we're testing, but it has to have oil flowing through it to test. So this is an MTS pump.
I saw the one is in there, but not the 3 months. That's I actually in and out the same day.
I gotta get you up so you can take a look at where you're going.
Definitely a very nice system.
Oh,
You can do a lot of it. You want it.
And for 9 feet, 150 feet from the top to the base.
Location of where the equipment's going to be placed in an aircraft, all that other good stuff, where it comes into power, plays into what type of testing. Once you get into DO-160 and 461. The other thing that you will see a lot, and I'm not sure if you see it, at the same time, right, and at the same time, we'll go through 3-6 months of testing and find out, you see power flow up there.
Very
First generation. And then Boss will get the second generation, right? And then Blend will get very nice one. They got the third generation.
Well, my understanding was it had to do with power fault, but I don't know.
Like again, we got some waveform, some level, some test number. We got different output. So if you got multiple output,
So basically 3-wire,
yeah. And then
different return control.
and then also for AC on the internet when you do the search test, you know. You got a separate system, right? You got?
Yes.